G'day beautiful humans. I've seen a lot of discussion this week about the new Bluey episode and the child restraint laws that Chilli references to the police officer. Now let's have a bit of a talk about it. Did Chilli break the law? Spoiler alert, no she did not. The thing to take into account is Bluey is over 7 years of age. So Bluey is legally allowed to sit in the front regardless of if the children are the other children in the back, Muffin, Bingo and can't remember the third one. So Bluey can legally sit in the front, so she's broken no rules. But what Chilli says to the police officer is something along the lines of children between the ages of 4 and 7 can sit in the front if all back seat spaces are occupied by younger children. This is actually true, and that's basically the gist of the Queensland government's website. New South Wales does specify that they must be in an approved child restraint. So in New South Wales, let's say Bingo is in the front. If she's over 4, Bingo would have to use an untethered booster in the front. It's still a legal requirement in Queensland, but for some reason they don't spell it out on their website. So this is from the Queensland government website. Babies and children up to 4-year-old must not sit in the front seat. Children aged 4 to 7 can only sit in the front seat if all other seats are occupied by children under 7. Now this is the New South Wales one. Basically the same thing. Children between the ages of 4 and 7 must not sit in the front seat of a vehicle that has 2 or more rows of seats unless the available seats in the back row are occupied by other children aged under 7. They must use an approved child car seat suitable for their age and size. So it is very interesting that different states word their websites slightly differently, but it's also worth remembering that the Road Rules Act is national and it's the same all around. So individual wording might vary slightly, but in the end it doesn't matter. So if your child is between the ages of 4 and 7 and you have to put them in the front seat because there's smaller children in all the other back seats, make sure you put them in a booster or an untethered booster. Cars don't have passenger anchor points, so generally speaking you won't be able to put a booster or a harness car seat in there, so you would need a untethered booster to go in the front. That is the recommendation. But like I said, Bluey can sit in the front because she is over 7. So she broke no laws here. I don't know why she didn't say that to the police officer, but Bluey is within her right to sit in the front. I would definitely not recommend her sit in the front. It is far safer for a child to sit in the back seat for as long as physically possible, ideally till 12 plus years of age. My own daughter is 8.5 and she will not be sitting in the front for a very long time. So yeah, there you have it. Chilli, innocent. I also thought, I'll leave you on this, that it was a cool little note, or cool little detail that she had to read it out to the copper and the copper had no idea what she was talking about. Now this isn't a dig at police officers, but police officers in Australia undergo little to no car seat training at all. So he likely would have had absolutely no idea anyway. So it was good that he listened and it was good that she read it out. And I would encourage anyone to read out the road rules for car seats to anyone that's not 100% sure of them if you're ever in this kind of situation. But yeah, there you have it.